Alright, got a 2014 Ford Fusion, and I gotta fix the what is that thing called, the brake hose, because that broke, that literally burst, and there's no brake. So, but it's obvious that the brake hose has exploded, so I'm gonna replace that. But this right here, I had to record because this had to be the worst, potentially the worst cabin air filter I might have ever done. And my thing is, like, how in the world did leaves get in here? Leaves were on the shield, the cover here, the kick panel. There was some of the leaves there I pulled out. So look like there's a fresh air vent here, but I don't know. No, there's nothing there. Like, how in the world over time did it get inside the car? Because everything has to go through the HVAC unit here, through the duct. I'm a little confused. Once I pull this off, because fresh air is coming from outside, there's no way it can just get inside of here. So we're gonna pull the filter out and just look at the filter element, see what that look like, because I gotta check the blower motor anyway. And the route I'm gonna take is just pretty much put some bias voltage inside the blower motor itself, spin the blade, and see if there's any dead spots in the brushes and commutator, and replace it if need be, because it'll stop working. Cut it on medium high, it'll stop working, and you can hear it pulsating. So it's like it sends a pulse width modulated signal to activate soon. But I'm not sure if that's, I never heard of a unit do this before. You can actually hear the pulses, but the blade doesn't seem to be rotating. There's nothing coming out really. So when we take the filter out, we'll be able to look down in there. At the same time, if I gotta take the filter out, I'm gonna go ahead and take the motor and clean it and test it too. So far, I had to wind up using a 7mm to get the glove box out. There was bolts down here, down on the side there too. I got the key off, key on, engine off. Still hear that noise. Should be it. Let's pop right on out of there, right? Oh, oops. Oh, that's meant to be broken. But I'm gonna see if I can pry this one off a little bit. Okay, should have been a little more fragile. It still got bolts, those two screws to hold it in, so I think we're fine. Let's see what happens. It looks bad. Oh, it looks bad. I think I probably should just put a towel down here first.
Where's my other screw? Oh, there you go. Boy. it's working. Yeah, this motor's gonna have to be replaced. Show you.
So I know I got constant power. I know I got constant power going to my blower motor here. But if I slowly turn it, because it's like on medium high. If I turn it ever so slightly, it'll catch. If I hit it just right, it won't turn. But you can hear it pulsating. It's like it's got a dead spot in it. And I'm gonna prove that to you. So we'll go back. I'm gonna put a point of reference on there too, right quick. I'm gonna put a mark here. Uh-oh. So that'll be my mark. I guess it'll be my top dead center. I should just use a tire crayon. So we got that right there. And I don't know how well you might be able to see that. So let's find the dead spot. It didn't do anything. It's crazy. Ain't turning at all now. Okay. So right around here, we'll go back the other way. Tarnation, that's crazy. Oh, wait. Come back. That's a big dead spot. Let me say right there. Nope. Yeah, it's about right there. If I hit this, it'll start moving. So from here all the way to here, that's a dead spot. And I'm pretty sure if I DED, dead. I don't know if anybody know the reference from that, but oh shit. Yep, same spot. It just started dying because our top dead center mark is here, and there you go. All right, hit the dead spot. All right, so I'm gonna use a test light, some bias voltage, and see if we can find a dead spot, and then we'll compare with the new one. But this joker needs to be replaced. Now let's pull this out. Yo, let's go ahead and get the blower motor out of here. Then we're gonna take the cabin air filter. Let's see how dirty this is. All right, let me get these bolts because I know for a fact they're gonna get lost up in the junk here. We got some screws at the bottom. I'm gonna take those out. All right, here we go. The mess will commence. I can't even get this thing out. It's just so dirty. Damn. Oh my gosh. That's a lot. I gotta clean all this out some way. I get my hand up there. Alright, for those of you who are curious, let's see what it looks like up inside of here. Just bear with me here. I'm gonna put the camera. I'm gonna get this stuff cleaned up and then we'll test this blower motor, get the new one, and get this installed and go from there. It's nothing serious. All right, so I got my old fan, I got the new fan. This is the old fan. I wrote dead on here, DED. So we're gonna test this real quick. We're gonna be 100% certain because the fan was just intermittently working. Now I'm gonna send bias voltage through the terminals here, and it should light up the test light for backfeed, and whatever the dead spot is, that's going to show that this fan doesn't have good continuity. So there's our backfeed there. It's not going to operate the fan because it's bias voltage. Now here's our top dead center mark. So currently where we at, we got continuity. We're gonna move it around. Logically, when we hit our dead spot, it should go off right there. There's our dead spot. We can keep on going around. There's the end of the dead spot there. So this blower motor is jacked up. Once I can get this thing to stay put, we're gonna go back around. The dead spot again. Go back the other way. Dead spot. And put the new one up there. There's the new one. I have a couple of dead motors. I had just replaced one not too long ago. Took our test light. And I can rotate this. Here's our brand new one. Rotate it all the way around. And we don't have any dead spots. Should make a point of reference, but I mean, you can see the difference here. My finger. You can do a whole 360 and nothing happens. So we're gonna get that put in there. We should be good. And I got a new cabin air filter. Get that put in there. We should be perfectly fine. So I got everything blown out. Where's my up symbol? So that's the flow. It's flowing down. Not gonna worry about that. The system should work 100% better than what it did before. It has so much restriction in there. Oh gosh, I'm gonna take the vacuum to it.
I hope I got them things. Screws in there straight. I think one of the ears had broke off on this side here. Look like it's supposed to be a tab up there. It's brand new, so I'm gonna put my neck over it. All right. Let's see how it works. Still got a lot of stuff I gotta put back on here. So I got it on low. I can tell you, it's working better on low speed.
Oh, it's working a lot better. Working a hell of a lot better. Ain't stopping or anything. I'm gonna show you how to get this glove box back in there, but you got some snapping tabs here. That one came out. It was like tissue paper in there. Well, oh, it's not tissue. It looked like some insulation. Like a foam insulation, it looks like. I didn't see that there originally. So it should snap back in those little slots there. And then there were some screws. One there. One there. Got some right there. Another one right here. got everything knocked out, and hopefully it looks a little more presentable. Got my fingerprints off there and cleaned out what I could down here. Ain't no detailer, but it works 100% better than what it did before. So we went through it, tested the blower motor, and we confirmed that the old one was defective when we pulled it out. We tested a new one, the new one works perfect. And yeah, so we're good to go. Took the cabin air filter out, cleaned the inside. I didn't show that part, but I just pretty much took some air, blew it out really good. Everything fell on my towel down below, and I just dumped that and then dumped the mat. So we're good with that. Took about an hour. But if anything happened, I'll definitely update. But hit that link, subscribe to the channel, stay informed, had a reassurance of my work. See you next time.